from what I can see right now is that GameStop does say out of stock. However, it does say call for stock. So that probably means that we can only order online. So I'm gonna click on GameStop for now, just to view it. And if I just scroll down a little bit, I can see right here, I'm gonna click on it and take a look. So right now I can see that I can actually buy this. I can add it to my cart and then just collect it in store. So maybe I can't get it shipped to my house, but I can go to the store and collect it from there. I do want to highlight that sometimes the neon version does get sold out faster than the white version. It really does depend. So in GameStop, depending on what I want to buy, if I click on Nintendo Switch, for example, then I go into console, I'm gonna see this. Right now it's telling me out of stock for the neon version, and then this version, the white version, which is the exact same thing, it's just a color difference. It does tell me to click and collect, so I can click right there, see that this is available, so I can add it to my cart if that's what I wanted. So at this point, what I can do is just go into my cart. So that's on the top right hand side. I'm gonna see items total. I'm gonna see the white version right here. And what you should do is create an account. So even before going to checkout, just create an account so that way you can track everything that you shop from here, and it's just going to be better overall just to go over your history. So on the top left hand side, you will see account login or register. So if you guys can log in right now, go ahead. If you haven't registered yet, right now would be the time to do that. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Once you click on register, you're going to see this. Just fill this up. It's your first name, last name, your birthday, put your phone number, then we're going to put your email address, repeat the same email address, create a password. So do not put the same password that you have for your email, create a new password, and then just repeat it. So I'm going to put don't use, and then just repeat that password. Down here below, you're going to put confirm. I'm going to put a check mark on all of these. And once I'm done, I'm just going to click down here below on the left hand side. I'm going to see register now. So once you filled out everything, they will send you a verification email. Just make sure to check that out. But anyways, once you have done so, just make sure to go into your items. So it's on the top right hand side. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Here is my checkout. So I'm just going to click on the bottom right hand side, go to checkout. And I should see this. At this point, I can only go and collect in store. So I cannot ship it to my house. That's just not an option at the moment. Not 100% sure why. Anyways, I'm just going to locate a store. So once you select your store, you're just gonna have to go on to next payment options. That's on the bottom left hand side. Then it's gonna bring you up to this page where you can go on, put the name of your card. So this is just your credit card information. It could be MasterCard, Visa, or American Express. So name on card, card number, expiration date. If you scroll down, just look at your billing details. And once you put all your information on the bottom, again, you're gonna be able to see this. Next, review your order. So just review that everything makes sense. Again, the cost should stay all the same. Nothing should have moved. And on the bottom, I do want to highlight this. If somebody else can pick it up for you, they can. So you just put their first name, their last name, then just click down here on confirm. And then on the bottom, finally, just confirm order. And finally, once we are done, it's just going to give you an email. So just make sure to take a screenshot of this. Although there's no number or anything to verify here, usually they give you an order number or something like that. However, at this point, it's all about getting that email. So make sure to just check out your email. But for now, we're all done with this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.